You renewed it without thinking. Same month, same app, same card. The car is covered. The phone is covered. The apartment is covered. You did not pause. You moved on. And somewhere in that routine, the most important thing you own stayed completely unprotected. Not because you forgot, because you never framed it as something that could be lost. The car breaks. You call someone, the phone cracks, you file a claim. There is a process. There is a number. There is a replacement arriving in 3 to 5 business days. But the thing that actually generates every payment you have ever made, the thing behind every direct deposit, every bill, every auto pay, every renewal, that thing has no process, no number, no replacement. You just kept insuring around it. Every year, without deciding to. The pattern is quieter than you think. Payday arrives, rent clears, subscriptions renew, the car insurance auto drafts, the renter's policy auto drafts, the phone protection plan auto drafts, each one protecting something you could technically replace. And the one asset that funds all of it, your ability to earn, to show up, to keep the whole structure running, sits completely uncovered. Not because coverage does not exist, because the habit never formed around it. You insured what felt urgent. The car felt urgent. The phone felt urgent. The apartment felt urgent. None of those things pay your bills. You do. And you are the only one without a backup plan. Think about what actually happened the last time something broke in your life. Not an object. You. A week out sick, a month recovering, a slow period where the work dried up. The bills did not pause. The auto pays did not notice. The structure kept pulling from an account that was no longer being refilled. That is the pattern, not a single dramatic event. Just the structure running without the engine. There are people who noticed this early, not because they were smarter, because someone showed them the gap before it opened. Their version of this conversation happened before the event, not after. They have a policy that runs quietly in the background, not for the car, not for the phone, for the 30, 60, 90 days when showing up is no longer possible. The bills still clear. The structure still holds. Not because they had more money, because they insured the right thing first. You already knew something was unprotected. You felt it the last time you checked your balance during a slow week. You felt it when someone close to you went through something unexpected and you watched them figure it out in real time, with no cushion, no coverage, no plan. You filed that away. You moved on. The car got renewed. The phone plan got renewed. The thing that actually powers the whole structure stayed exactly where it was, unscheduled, unnamed, uninsured. Here is the layer underneath this. The objects in your life came with a built-in prompt to protect them. The dealership asked about the warranty. The carrier offered the protection plan. The landlord required renter's insurance before you signed. The prompts were already there. Nobody handed you a form at the beginning of your career and said, "Here is what happens to your financial life if you cannot work for 3 months." The prompt never came. So the habit never formed, and the structure kept running as if the engine was guaranteed. Open your insurance apps tonight, count what you are paying to protect things that can be replaced. Then ask what you are paying to protect the only thing that cannot be. Not the car, not the phone, not the furniture. You, the version of you that shows up and keeps everything else running. Look at what you have covered and what you quietly left out. That gap has been there longer than you think. If anything in this video made you feel something you have not named before, subscribe to The Wealth Clock. New patterns every week. This is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions.